out this pre-owned 2020 Ford Ranger Sport. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.